What's going on YouTube? V3 Blackskin back again with another V3 action. This time to one of my pink panda queens, Miss Kim Nam Joo, her bird. I think this is her solo debut, and I don't know as much about Nam Joo. Of course Eunji is my bias, Bomi is my bias wrecker. I love Hayoung. I love them all, but like as far as their content outside of music videos, Nam Joo, I want to say, as I know the least about. Bomi and Hayoung, I know, have their own YouTube channels. I've watched some of their stuff. I've seen them when they went to Jungkook's house when they cooked. Excuse me, everyone was there except for Eunji. Like, I watched a lot of content on them, but Nam Joo's the only one, and her and Naeun. But I've seen the stuff from Naeun from Running Man. Her and Sechan, the flirting. I cannot talk, but I am very interested to see what she's gonna bring, and I know I am very, very late, but go ahead and get into this. Ooh, I'm getting like Egyptian vibes. Captions. Hey. The tempo gives like Latin vibes. This is what a lot of Latin songs usually go with. Oh, they slowed it down. Uh-oh. Hey. I like the short hair on her. I like how she says bird too. Oh. Ooh, I love this subdued bass. Very minimal with the instruments. And then the cadence she's using with her words. I love when they slow down the bridge. I see her flexing. Reminds me of a Dumb Liddy with J-Sep breaking all those. Oh, they softened it a lot. And I'm interested to know, do they shoot these anamorphic because all the lens flares and everything? Ooh. Ooh. Hey. The sound effects they were putting in this too. The visuals. Did she only come out with a single, or was it like a full, or no, like a mini album? Because I want to hear more stuff from her. I've only reacted to I think Unji's solo. Ooh, this part that subdued just. Da da da. The flex. Please let me. I think I just spit. Ugh. Please tell me if she has. Let me know if she has any other solo work. I think this was her solo debut. I know Unji I think has like 4 mini albums. And I don't know if anybody else has their own solo work, but I'm pretty sure they've been around for what, like 6-7 years. Probably should have looked that up before I said it. But and then I didn't even know Choron was a leader. I always thought Unji was a leader, but I didn't know until I watched them on Knowing Bros. I didn't know they're none of their positions. But anyway, this has been my V3 reaction to Nam Joo's solo debut. I think Boyd, however she kind of says it, like with that Northeastern American accent, I think. But like, comment, subscribe. V3 Black Skin out.